So I don't know if you can tell, but that is the cord to the fan and the light. Yes, Charlie, the fan and the light up there. Charlie's new obsession. Daddy taught her how to grab the string and pull and turn the light off. Say night night and back on. Takes a lot of concentration. I'm not sure how good the depth perception on this thing is.
Get it again. Get it again.
Standing on a chair, so I'm a little wobbly. Will you bring our attention back over there?
Turn off the light.
Frustrated. Stop it from swinging. Stop it from swinging. Say night night.
Night night. Night, Charlie.
Rocco, I hear you, Buggy. Night night.